everyone, this is Lee, and in this video I am going to show you the sound problem on any Android device. Sometimes your phone media sound not working on any Android device. You play any video from your phone but sound not working properly. So don't worry, in this short video you will fix all the sounds problem on your smartphone. So let's see how to do it. Open Settings app. Scroll down. Tap Sound and Vibration. Now one time all the sound settings up and down. Now go back from here. Now you need to follow the next step. Clear all data from your phone. Open Settings. Scroll down a little. Tap Apps. Now tap Manage Apps. Now search Sounds. Tap on it. Now tap Clear Data. Tap OK. Now follow the third step. Open Settings app again. Scroll down. Tap Sound and Vibration. Now scroll down. Find out Do Not Disturb option. Tap on it. Now enable the option for 10 seconds and turn off back again. Restart your Android device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve all the problems. Now hold the power button. Then tap on Restart or Reboot. So, here is the best way to fix your problem, guys. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching.